Hello children, I hope you all are doing fine and safe at home. So today we are going to discuss a new poem and the name of the poem is The Rebel written by DJ Enright. So before we are moving forward, let's discuss something. So do you have any friends who goes always opposite of what you want? For example, if you want to eat ice cream, he wants to eat cake. If you want to play cricket, he wants to play volleyball. So do you have any friends like that who always wants to do opposite things? So what is the word will you use for such a person who always goes opposite in everything? So rebel is that word. So rebel is a word describe a person who always does the opposite. For example, if all wants to play in ground, he wants to play indoor games. So such a person is called a rebel. So here this poem is all about such a person who always goes opposite of everybody wants to do. So these are the points we are going to discuss in this poem. Okay. So now we will move on to the poem lines. Listen carefully. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cut his hair short. So if you see this line, you can understand that the rebels wants to do opposite of everything. Like if everybody has short hair, he wants to grow his hair long. If everybody has long hair, he wants to cut his hair short. Like that, the rebel is doing opposite of everything. So when everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel created disturbance. For example, the teacher is teaching in the classroom. On the time, all the students they are answering and talking very interestedly. On the time, the rebel is quiet, is not at all speaking anything. So there is a pin drop silent in the classroom. Then what does the rebel do? He will create the disturbance. So he always going opposite of anything or everything in what other person are doing, isn't it? So, when everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in a fantastic clothes. When everybody wears a fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. So, this is the condition. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel will wear the fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, on the time, the rebel dresses soberly. Like that, the rebel doing opposite of everything. So now listen these lines. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cat. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. So for example, a group of people or a group of friends, when they started talking about the dog, on the time the rebel will give preference for cat. So if they change the topic when they started talking about the cat, on the time the rebel will give preference for dog. So like that, the rebel is always going opposite of anything and everything because that is the character of rebel, isn't it? Now we will move on to the next line. Listen carefully. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. So in these lines, the poet says that when everyone are enjoying the sunny day, on the time the rebel is missing the rain. So when everyone are happy to see the rain, on the time the rebel is missing the sunny day. Like that, the poet explained in these lines. So when everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. So here what happened? When everybody gone for an important meeting, what is he doing? He's simply sitting in the home and reading the book. So when nobody is going for the meeting, at the time the rebel will go. So he's doing opposite of everything, isn't it? So now listen these lines. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. So for example, someone is offering something, okay? And the time everyone is saying yes please, I would like to have that. And the time the rebel will say no thank you. So again, when everyone says no thank you, we don't want that. So on the time the rebel will say yes please. So because that is the character of rebel, isn't it? So like that the poet explained in these lines. So now we will move on to the last two lines. Listen carefully. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. So in these lines the poet says that having the rebels around us is beneficial because they train us to acknowledge the differences. So however the poet says that it is not good to be a rebellions because they are not accepted by the society, isn't it? So like that the poem ends.